Oh, here we are. We're coming from Lake Short.
Oh well.
And Peter is stuck in a puddle. Oh dear. What are we going to do now? He's stuck. Don't lose that suitcase in the water. Oh shit. I don't believe it. Just when we thought we were out, there's Peter got himself stuck in another river. Oh boy, I don't know if we'll get home tonight. There we go. Oh! Ooh, 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 ooh. Stop! Is he out? Yes, AJ going through. Oh. Beautiful. Oh, shit.
Too far to the right.
Too far to the right, too soft.
No!
No, no, no! Stay. Otherwise he'll dig himself more in. Oh no. All right. Oh God, we still gotta get through. Oh.
That's what I gotta miss.
Yeah, you gotta miss that. Oh, here we go. Oh, 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 he's digging more in. To the right, to the right. Oh boy. Shit. Bloody hell.
Bloody hell, did you see that?
Yeah, oh, I went sideways with this because I was looking at him.